Made it. We're making progress. We can clean this up. Where's the other bolts? Keep it together. No? Spoil the bolt. Look at that fancy thing. What is that? Stock?
Yeah. Stock.
Look at nice. Look at that. That's clean. You took the top off?
I'm gonna need somebody to hold the trailing arm down so I can put it in.
Oh
no! You're vlogging man late.
Yo, we making it happen, alright? Little hiccups in the beginning.
Maybe I gotta get my mic.
Little rust bucket over here.
Gotta get my mic. Let me get your mic.
You almost done?
Stop recording. Let me connect it. Let's do with this one. This bushing. Since this one doesn't have a bushing. So we're just gonna connect it like that?
Is there universal bushing that you can buy?
How are we gonna put a universal bushing into a messed up control arm?
Well, we can still use this.
We can still use this.
So it doesn't have a lot of play on the bolt, so it doesn't snap the bolt.
So you telling me we're gonna use this
For now,
But then how's the inside? 'Cause that's the
we can
problem.
clean it. It's all rusted up. You see? That's why I have the
Take a picture.
All right.
All
Throw
right.
some more brake cleaner. We got fresh bolt there.
Oh,
Is
we
that one good?
Or we just have to wait for the function 7 one.
I think, yo, why don't you run to the store? It's like 10 minutes away and get one.
So basically, we hear my brother is here,
All the space that we have.
Carlos, we got James. So we're gonna skip this intro, and we was just removing the eBay struts. I guess it's eBay. It looks eBay, right?
Something. It's
So
something.
I just bought this from Amazon. Excuse me, I'm vlogging. I'm vlogging over here. I'm vlogging. Go over there. Go over there. Go over there. We got this stock struts from Amazon. We're gonna be installing that to the Civic, and as you can see, don't question me about it. I don't know what's going on. I just found that out. I guess it looks like they JB weld or put glue on it. I don't know, but that's gonna be replaced too. The updates, we were struggling to remove all those bolts and nuts on this car. It was a headache, but he managed. He did it. I said I gave up, but he won't give up. He said I'm gonna do it. I said all right, he did it. That's
You
what
got it. You got it done.
he got it done. So I'm over here
This
just
is the
watching,
issue, right?
vlogging. Huh?
This is the bushing that was stuck inside. The screw was. They don't want. I guess I don't know.
We literally used the torch.
We always have to use the torch.
Yeah, you torch, a lot of banging on it, but we got it done. So we just gotta improvise.
How we used the torch to bend this to actually take out that.
So what we gonna do now? Put the new suspension. We might have to use this for now if the stores don't have one. Temporary until we get this where it's gotta go, and then it's gonna get a whole new update anyway. So that's why we're not worried too much about it.
Yeah. Tri-State, if you hear me or if you're seeing this, please, I need that function 7 control arms that you have in stock in the store. I need it ASAP. Carlos is doing the other side.
The other one came out pretty easy. It was missing the bolt, and the whole suspension was loose. So luckily we didn't drive it long.
It's missing everything, man.
A little bit of everything, I don't know what this is. Good luck on the brake lines out here, because it's gonna be a miracle taking that out.
And also, we're gonna be removing that whole trailer arm.
Yeah.
And put some. I got LS or GSRs. I forgot. But one of those, the Integra spindles. I got those. It's in Florida, so we have to. So we have to go there first and replace it. That's the next clip, the next video.
What number 2
And
done?
you're just standing there looking pretty. Right, Carlos?
Always.
So we took out the two shocks out. So now we gotta install the new
All right.
ones.
So go.
Ready to work?
Go to work. Go to work.
All right. Okay, boss.
See all this mess? We got everything because I really don't want to miss
Hey,
any.
Try to get everything done in one day.
Listen,
What?
guys. Listen, guys. They said that I would not do anything, but look at my vehicle with all of this stuff was actually in.
That's your job.
Yeah, it was my job.
What's up, brother?
Nah,
What you think, though? What you think of the progress, though?
we getting there.
We're getting
Yeah,
there.
we're getting there.
Little hiccups, but it's okay. We
Yeah, it's
managed.
drivable. Once we change the suspension, and we're gonna change the rotors today. Brakes, right? You got new brakes?
Yeah, I got new brakes.
Yeah, we just gonna clean it
I
up.
wasn't even planning to change it, but I said, you know what? Let me just change them.
What, the brakes?
The brakes and the.
Oh no, yeah,
the
let's
disc.
change it. Cause
Look how seized up in there. It's crazy.
yeah,
What's up, brother?
oh good.
Welcome. Welcome to the east side.
This is much worse than what you showed me. I don't know why you bought it.
It's a Civic.
Because it won't be fun, right? It's always always back in the days when we used to hit Hus Point, and they used to, we used to laugh at the people. Not laugh, but that's where the whole sticker came out. Like the built, not bought.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
People used to buy the Evos and all that. They're getting no respect. Like, yeah, you're fast because you bought them fast.
Right.
There was no work to it, so it didn't count. You bought them like that because you have money.
Just cheating.
And, from the Bronx, we was poor. We just had to go what we got, and we were still smoking people.
Word.
So, and it's also fun. That's not fun, but
Dropping your Corona.
no, but it's it's a good feeling when you're doing things on your own, doing it all day. It gives you something to do.
You get the space now for it.
Yeah, we got the
Before we
space
did.
for it. Back in the days, we used to hit the sidewalks and AutoZone parking lot, and then we used to find
I
like
know
a dead
Freddie still
street.
does that.
I still do it. Right, James?
And then
We still do
the
it.
cops used to come over
still
like,
do it.
yo,
Guilty on
what
that.
you doing? Can't be doing that. Making a mess. And but it's all good though. It's fun. So once we get it done, you change it. You gotta have the before and after. It's a good feeling overall. Yeah.
How you like this shirt,
This is
guys?
mobile all the time. We're mobile.
We're mobile. We're mobile.
See that
Bodies
shit?
everywhere.
Oh, don't forget.
Okay, I need somebody heavier.
That's where I come into play, right?
Yeah, you. I need you.
All right. Here, hold this.
I didn't eat enough ceviche.
All right. With my fat ass.
I just think I need 1 foot.
1 foot.
All your bushings are gone. Shit. He doesn't want to go in.
Yo, but look at these calves though.
Yo, they're mad sexy.
Oh, easy. Oh, wait. You gotta put the bushing first.
The bushing? Oh,
I slipped like nothing, bro.
yeah, I know. Tell me about it.
Chillin', bro.
This is not how I plan to spend my vacation.
Work.
Thanks for me to work.
Okay. What we found out? What is this? Wow, look at this, guys. This is crazy.
So,
That's warped. And then we got a brand new one.
OEM.
Oh yeah, if you guys want the part number, I think you guys know. I'm just gonna share it anyways.
No.
So
It was dancing. Let me get the other one.
But how you think you'll be able to sell those the suspensions on Craigslist? Somebody might want them.
Right?
So $20. There you go.
Yo,
Scrap metal.
yo, best offer. Yo, I know what I got.
So whoever did the suspension, they forgot.
They messed it up.
Yeah, they didn't know what they was doing.
At this moment, the mics died on us, but at this moment, we're putting together the lower control arms and compliance arms that we obtained by Tri-State Motorsports. Thanks to them, everything was kind of rusted and busted. In the interim of while I was doing this, Fred was over here working on Carlos's car to get his wiring corrected. We then realized that the axle was completely torn. It came out of place completely.
So we completed the rear. Now we're working on the front. Turns out the axles has now breaking apart and has given up. So now we got to get a new axle. However, we're going to continue putting on the front suspension, which is OEM. We're just putting OEM for now to get the car to Florida and bring it back in one piece. We will be putting coilover soon, just not at this time. So we got these from Amazon for $150, the whole set. And pretty sure it's going to do the job, and it's only temporary for now. And why you say it's going to Florida? Well, it's going to Florida for many reasons. I would say, yeah, many reasons. But one of them just being that the car is going to be registered in Florida. He will be using me. That's all he uses me for, unfortunately. But, he dragged me out here for labor. He's like, let's spend brother time, but I'm going to use you. I'm not getting paid for this. If anything, I'm the one that spent money on the flight to come here. So I'm negative. Probably going to give me a hug, even at that. You can donate, please. I got bills to pay.
I'm putting on the new suspension and getting that all buttoned up to get it shipped out. Keep in mind that this is only a temporary setup. We're getting coilovers and all that. Right now, we needed something to get the car to Florida. Certain things weren't able to get done, but the car is now getting shipped out to Florida. And I'll see you guys in the next video.